how to get unrestricted on Wizz. So if you want to get unrestricted on Wizz, then first check your internet connection, go for your Play Store and go for the search bar, search for Wizz, and make sure to update the application. Once you've updated, you can go back and then you can simply search for Wizz and tap and hold on to that application and go for app info. And under your app info here, you will have permissions option right on the second. Tap on permissions, and under your permissions, if you have not allowed anything like camera, notifications, phone or any other, then you need to simply tap on that and then tap on allow. And you need to allow all of that. And once you've allowed all of this, or once you've given the permission, then it will stop you from restricted on Wizz. So you can go back and then you can tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, and that's it. Now you can restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you get unrestricted on Wizz. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.